Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the two clips and matching their resolution and frame rate so playback stays smooth. Open your editor and create a 16:9 sequence at the target resolution. This ensures consistent scaling. Once done, set the timeline to snap and import both files. This saves alignment time. Place each clip on separate tracks and roughly position them where you want the split to be, because precise placement is the foundation for everything that follows. Now you crop and scale each clip so they occupy distinct halves or a picture-in-picture area. Maintain aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Use guides or a grid to align edges and add a thin divider if desired for clarity. Next, sync audio. Choose one primary track for dialogue, lower the other, or pan left-right for separation. Make fine adjustments with audio keyframes so speech and action match. This step prevents lip sync issues and keeps the viewer focused. Finish by color correcting both clips so lighting and contrast match. Use the same LUT or curves to make the two screens feel cohesive. Render a short test in H.264 at your target bitrate to check motion and audio. Once exported, review the full file. If you see desync or dropped frames, make sure both sources share the same frame rate and codec, then re-render the problem clip before re-exporting. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.